What's up, guys? Finally, I've gotten a trick on how you can use Kling AI to generate your motion controls videos, such as maybe probably if you want to do a dance video, bringing in your model and everything. So I'm going to show you how to go about from creating your models to generating your videos. So I'm going to walk you through everything step by step. So if you're ready, just pick your laptop and let's go straight into the video. Hello everyone. You're welcome to Blast channel. My name is Kingsley and I'm excited to share another tutorial with you today. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on future videos like this one. First thing you're going to be doing is to first of all get your image, the image of the model you want to use, and also the video of the model. That's the media you want to use. So I came to Pinterest. Now what I did was to just search for dancing model. So I searched for dancing model. So it brought out several different options, of which this was the one I downloaded. So what I did was just to open it, then and over here I can now click on download image. So after downloading the image, I went ahead to look for video. So the video still I got it from here. So I just search for it. I just look through this. I got the video I want to use it and get your video from anywhere. So just get your video, the video you want to use. So now I already have my image and I also have my video. So what I did was to go ahead. I went to ChatGPT because I don't want to use exactly the image, image of this girl, so that is to avoid anything copyright and all those stuff. So once you're here, what I did was to bring in the image, then and I added this prompt. This was the prompt I added. I just asked it to give me a 3D realistic cartoonish version of this particular design of this particular lady dancing. So after doing that, this is what it gave me. So you can see, so you can take screenshot this particular prompt or you can just type it out. So once you do that, this was what it gave to me. So now I now went ahead to download this particular image. So I have my new version of my image, and also now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this image now and take my video I downloaded. Now I'll be going to this particular website. So I'll go to this website. Now what you're going to do, you are going to sign up to an account on this website. Once you sign up to I'll be pinning the link to all the sites in the comment section, so you check it out. Once you sign up to an account, they are going to, if it's a new account, they are going to give you free 150 credits. You will be seeing it here, free 150 credit. This account, I've created it for a month, more than a month ago. So you can see about a month ago. So now this particular account, one thing about in this website is after 1 month, this credit they gave you, after 1 month, they are going to give you another 150 credits. So once you exhaust it, you wait. After 1 month, you'll be able to, they'll give you another 150 credit to use. So you need to have multiple accounts on this. That's what it means. So that in case if you exhaust your credits, you can also go ahead to do it after continue using their particular accounts using the next month. So now I'm going to, once you sign up to an account that you come, it will take you to somewhere like this. Yours will be blank. So now I'm going to click on any of the create file here. So I'm going to click on this and it's going to open up a new canvas for me to start working. So guys, I'm here. It's going to pop up something like this. What you just need to do is just to click on this skip. Now once you're here, now one thing you can just do easy. I want to make everything easy. You just right click on it and you're going to see this. Now I'm going to go ahead to where you see under the models. Under these models, and guys, here is something I want to, this particular website works perfectly well with PC. If you're using your mobile phone, it might not work too well for you. It might be a little bit difficult for you to use using your mobile phone. So I'll appreciate it if you use your PC. So now once you are here, you come to your video models. Now you come to from video. This is the one we are going to be making use of, or you can so just come to the one from this one where from video. So once we are here, you can see we have Grok Imagine, we have other models you are going to be making use of, but for this case we are going to be making use of Kling Motion Control. So I'm going to just click on it and it's going to bring in it here. Now if you notice, the credit here is 164 credits. So if I have to generate a video on this, it's going to cost me 164 credits and I only have 150 credits. Guys, don't panic. What you are going to do, I'm going to just come here where you have this pro, change it to standard. So you can see on standard now, it's now 123 credits. That means I can generate a video, isn't it? Now here's another thing again. I'm going to, on this side, I'm going to come now and select, instead of this, I'm going to select this 2.6. Now, if I select 2.6, guys, do you now see what happens? 50 credits. So now I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to make this changes to video. So it's video I want to generate now. It's going to be video. Now that's the orientation. Is it from the image? What is it from the image or from the, so I'm going to make use of the video. Now keep sound quality, yes. I'm going to now go ahead. If you want to generate multiple versions, it depends on you, but guys, just leave the setting the way I just gave you. So from this you can be able to generate 3 videos at least from this part. The credit they are going to give you before you switch to maybe once you exhaust the credit, you can now switch to another different account and you continue creating, generating. Now from here I'm going to go ahead. From this side I'll right click, I bring out export, then have it here, then link my exports to this. Then I'll now right click again and bring in my import. Now on this import, now let me just come here and click fit to zone. Now I'm going to link, let me drop this towards here. I'll bring in another import. Now we are going to be making use of 2 imports. And remember, now I'm going to reduce this a little, fit to zone. Now I'm going to zone place this here and place this here. Now see what I will do. On this side we have, I'm going to, on this one I'm going to bring in my image. So this one I brought in my image. Now I'm going to, on this one I'll bring in my video. All right guys, here's the image we created. Consider the image. My video is still uploading. Now as the video is still uploaded, let's look at what you're going to do. On this, you can see my video has uploaded. Now on this side where we have this file, that's from this dot here, click on this dot and link it up with this. As you can see from here, we have the image, the one of the image, you link it up to that of the image, and the one of this video, you click on it and link it up to that of the video. That is it. Once you've done all this, everything is, you are good to go. So now what you now do now is just to click on run model, or you can just click on run selected here. So I'm going to just click on run model. So once you click on, it's going, you can see it has started generating my video for me. So you can see, like, just what you just need to do is just to patiently just wait, and it's going to generate your video for you. And you can see currently it has even deducted the credits from over here. So it, once it starts generating it's going to deduct the credit. So let's just wait for it to finish editing, generating my video. So then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, you can see it's done generating my video for me. You can see what's, so what if you can do, just simply just do is just click on this export. Once you click on export, it will start rendering and it's going to download your video for you. So you're going to export your video for you, so for you to download. So now so guys, this is just a simple trick, the simple way you can use to generate more. You can see it's generated. So I'll be playing the video it generated at the end of this video. So now I'm going to, this is just the way you go about it, generating your motion, using motion control to generate your dance videos or any kind of videos you want to do. So probably from me to mimic a particular model to generate your own, this is, so you can keep generating videos like this and post on your TikTok account or your any platform you want to use. And if you use this particular process, after getting your model, now go ahead to change the, ensure you change it. Now you can make use of your own normal self. You can bring in your picture to it. That's just it. I'll be creating another video where this time around I'm going to be bringing a particular, the model I'm going to be using, I'm going to be bringing in the model, or you can even bring in yourself so to it. So just get the person you want to use, then instead of the person, now you can now put in yourself into it and it's going to dance. So I'm going to create another video showing you how to do it if you want to use yourself in particular. So I'll go to create another video on that for you guys to see how to go about it. So now guys, try it out and tell me if you were able to generate your own videos. So I'll be waiting for your feedback in the comment section. So the next video you're going to be seeing is the one we just generated. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload content like this. So this is where I'm going to stop in this particular video. Catch you in the next one. Until next time, bye for now.